Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today, we're gonna go downstairs in the creepy basement and do a Nerf gun check. So, I haven't looked at these Nerf guns for quite a long time, to be honest. I've actually got a lot of Nerf guns, to be honest. Look at those. So, I've got an Omega, I'm gonna say 12 shooter. Pretty cool. I'm gonna move these. Got a lot of cars. The whole bucket's full of cars. I like to play with my cars, you know? A lot of people like to play with their cars. Don't fall. Okay. So, make a 12 shooter. I modded this thing up. Still works, to be surprised, after not being used for like a year. 2 summers ago, to be honest. That's how long I haven't been here. 2 summers. I've got the Mega 6 shooter. Oh my god, is this thing mega. I mean, look at that. That's what you call a mega. Hang on. There you go. I've got the zombie nerf. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So that'd be 24 shooter. Doesn't really shoot that good. I've got a bow. I'll show you guys what the bullets take. Got the X shot. It's pretty cool. It's a 6 shooter. I like it. Not that bad. Zombie crossbow. Gotta love this thing. Oh my god. The rival. You guys don't even know what this thing does. I'm about to find out in a couple videos. But man, that thing's dope. Got a couple of those. Look at that. Oh. These are the AKs. Yes, the AKs. Now, got a shotgun rifle. Takes the same bullets as the AKs right here. And there's a rival, made by the same company. We've got the rival pistol. Same bullet, same company. Pretty dope. Company not sponsored, by the way. This video has no sponsor yet. Same bullets, rival, same company. Pistol, same bullets, same gun, same rival, same company. We got a crazy pistol. Nerf, not rival, not the same company. Maybe the same company. They're all Nerf, so who knows. Same AK, different colors. Possibly same company. Water gun, not same company, not Nerf. Nerf 1 shoot pistol. Nerf, same company. Joel T. Nerf, pistol, something, same company. Got a glow stick. What's in here, ladies and gentlemen? Well, you guys are about to find out. I already know what's in here. Nerf. Lots of it. This is for the bow. This is more mods for the Nerf AK. This is the mod for that one pistol I showed you guys. That long pistol. This is for the AK as well. This is for the Mega gun. You guys aren't seeing these good. I'll go ahead and get it done. You can have a clip. You can clip it on your side. a wooden sword. I believe I drew the peace sign myself. I'm putting a rye on it. I don't know what I wrote there. 4 and 8. Peace sign. Don't know who drew that. That I drew. Very dumb. Same for the AK as well. Got a baseball. Ryerson McKay Robinson. That's the owner of the ball. So, yeah. Might as well take that one out. Put it in here. So this is what the rivals take. You guys will see these in a couple of videos in action. Well, a couple videos after this. Maybe a few. This is what the Mega takes, if y'all don't know, Nerf. And yes, if you guys are wondering if these are going to be in the Bounty Hunter, the new YouTube video I made, yes, it will. Bounty Hunter, I'm going to get you guys explain. I'll explain in a different video, in some video too, but I'll explain in this video as well. So Bounty Hunter is where we shoot guns, we show off guns, show off Nerf guns, shoot Nerf guns, paintball, all that. Play Bounty Hunter games, real Bounty Hunter, different Bounty Hunter shows, a lot of Bounty Hunter stuff, guns, bounties, all that. Bounty paintball, if you guys want to see that. Like, subscribe, comment down below, share this video, view it, everything. Give me money so I could do this stuff. Paintballs, I need money for that. Nerf, I need money for that. I need more bullets. I'm out of bullets, so yeah. I'm gonna make a few YouTube videos, to be honest, because a few YouTube channels connected to this one. I'm gonna make a new Ryan Robinson because some reason it's not working on here. I'm gonna make a new one. I'm gonna find my old Ryan Robinson. I'm gonna screenshot the profile pic, make it the same. Maybe I'll change it. I'm not quite sure. Let's see. I'm staring out the window, by the way. Just looking at grass. I have a nice window view for the yard where I'm at. But I'm gonna make... So this is what's gonna be with the Bounty Hunter YouTube channels. So the channel is connected to Bounty Hunter. Wow, sorry about that. Videos connected to Bounty Hunter. Well, the YouTube channel is connected to Bounty Hunter. I can't speak, okay? So the videos connected to the Bounty Hunter channel. I can't speak today. What I'm trying to say is the channels connected to the Bounty Hunter channel will be the new Ryan Robinson, gaming, off-roading, obviously dirt bikes, jeeping, all that. Biking, mountain biking, BMX biking, riding. Ride's lawn care. I am redoing my lawn care business, yes. Starting from scratch this time. I will have a driving mower. We are going to be getting a trailer. I'm going to buy one. I was thinking of going E-friendly this year. For this one. If you guys don't know what E-friendly is, it's technically electric. E for electric. I don't know why they say electric when it's electric, but E-friendly, hopefully. Don't need to spend money on gas and all that. I will have to get gas for my riding mower here, which is not E-friendly. It's gas-friendly. Get it? E-friendly. G-friendly. That's a good one. G-friendly. Gas-friendly. Get it? Gas, G. I don't know if you guys get it, but I do. What other channels? Rye is scary. I will try, if I can, I'll try to get my Araya Robinson back. I'll try to get Robinson behind the scenes back, because that's a really important one. AR Jams, that's a really important one. So, I will have to get that one back. Yeah. So, that's that for the talking. Is that it for the video? I would say yes. I'm gonna leave the Nerf guns where they are over there. And I'm gonna cut it here. If you guys want to see the Nerf guns once again, I'm gonna try to get over. I have a moon, by the way. I'll show you guys all my cool stuff next in a couple of videos. Look at this huge stack. That was all in this tiny, medium-ish hamper. The bullets, I want to try to fill this tote, up with bullets, gun mods, all that. Like paintball mods and stuff. Speaking of paintball, I have some paintball stuff over here. I have the canisters strapped up. They're strapped to a belt right now. We have a canister. Not sure if it's full or not. But we got that. We got this to go on it. Maybe we'll put we'll do a connecting video. Paintball is outside at the moment, so I'll try to get that by a couple of videos. But Nerf guns are here. TV, that's having issues at the moment. Try to get that up and running. We're gonna build a game room. I'll explain that on behind the Robinsons behind the scenes. No clue what that is. Looks like chocolate. Daddy spilled chocolate, it looks like. Hang on. Huh. You can see it's chocolate. So, I'm gonna go ask my dad about that and see you on the next one. Peace.